Alright guys, just wanted to show you something about this Master Magnum 530. It says it's the choice of professionals. I don't know about that. I bought this as a lock to train on, thinking it was removable core, so maybe one day down the road I could pin it up as a challenge lock or whatever I might want to do. But let's take a look at this. As you can see, it is removable core. Let's take this out of here. Sorry guys, allergies are a little bit bad right now. This is the removable core out of the Master 530. It is just your standard Master Lock number 3 core, 4-pin core. It's not repinnable. Actually, it doesn't even come apart. So, if you're thinking about buying one of these, I wouldn't put a whole lot of faith in it, and I certainly would not buy it as a training lock. This one is going back to Home Depot as soon as I'm done with this video. So, there you go guys. Thanks for watching.